Today, we'll learn how to begin courses in your organization's free learning management system that are assigned to you by your manager. To begin, remember that your dashboard is the heart of your learning journey. It is divided into 3 tabs: Assigned to You, Self-Enrollment, and Course Completions. Let's take a closer look at Assigned to You. This is where you'll see courses and learning paths assigned by your manager. If it's empty, you can simply request an assignment from your manager and kickstart your learning journey. When your manager assigns a learning path or courses to you, you can find the courses by clicking on Assigned to You. For a detailed view of your learning path, click on it. Here at the top of the page, you'll find all the necessary information, like course list and durations, the due date for completion, team insights, and specific skills you'll gain. When you're ready, click here to start learning. To stay on top of your learning, set a weekly reminder and add it to your calendar. As you make progress in your learning journey and start more assigned learning paths, you can easily track your progress on your dashboard. You have the option to sort this progress by due date and newly assigned courses, ensuring your learning experience is well organized. To continue with a learning path, simply click on the Continue Learning button, allowing you to pick up where you left off. Individual course progress is also monitored here, providing you with a clear overview of how far you've come with each course.